not all viruses are killed by alcohol. And one very important feature of coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2 is that it has an envelope. And this envelope is made of fat and proteins. And when you use the alcohol, it dissolves and destroys this fat and protein layer, rendering pretty much the virus ineffective and non-infectious.
Why does alcohol percentage make a difference? Like there was an interesting story of Tito's vodka. People were starting to use their normal vodka to try to sanitize, and they said, well, no, you need to get 60% alcohol by volume and higher. Why does the percentage make a difference?
So it has to do with the ability of the alcohol to both cross the envelope and solubilize the fat and destroy the proteins. If you use too high of a concentration of alcohol, you will not destroy anything. You will preserve it. And if you use a concentration too low, it will not be efficient enough at these destroying, denaturing properties. And so this is why you cannot use alcohol that is meant for human consumption, which typically is around 40 to 45%, but you really need to ramp it up to 65, up to 70%. And in fact, in the lab, we prepare solution to disinfect a benchtop using 70% ethanol.
Well, the WHO recipe that we're following, it calls for 80%, and I believe for surface sanitation, you don't want to be that high because it evaporates too fast. So,
that's correct.
Is everything shut down now at the University of Ottawa?
Yeah, the only research activities that have been maintained are those that are deemed essential research activities. We were granted such permission to continue not only the fundamental work research we do in the lab, but also to continue to support the dairy distillery.